Hey, students, I'm here with a quick tip to help you understand the elusive ellipses. And so when I say ellipses, what I'm talking about is those three dots like that, okay? So a lot of students have a tendency to use those at the beginning of quotes and at the end of quotes whenever they take words away from a actual section of text that they're using. The nice thing about MLA 8 and MLA in general is that they do not expect you to have ellipses at the beginning or the end of a quote if you eliminate words from it. So if I were to look at this quote right here and say I took away the beginning part here, okay, I would not need to format the quote like so. So if I come down here, paste that, I would not need to put ellipses at the beginning to signal that I cut something away, because MLA signals to the reader that you have quoted what you need to quote without misinterpreting it. The only time that you would use ellipses within a quote is when you take something out and you're not putting something back in. So for instance, if I were to take this word indeed out, like so, what I would do is I would delete it. I would then use brackets to signal a change. I would then use ellipses to signal that I've taken something out. And what that means to the reader is that I've taken something out and I've left it blank, but it doesn't change the meaning. So quick takeaway, ellipses are only used in the middle of a quoted section when you take something out, and you only use them with brackets in MLA, unless those ellipses come from the original works. Then you cite those accordingly. But you do not need them at the beginning or the ends of quotes if you cut words away, as long as you are giving the quote properly. All right, so hopefully that helps. And if you have any questions, of course, feel free to email me. Thanks, guys.